welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely collections of semi-tussar silk sarees. The designs are going to be in silver butta, some are going to be printed, some will be small golden butta, some different varieties we are going to see in the same video. Regarding the maintenance of these sarees, please do a dry wash for the first time and later on do a mild shampoo wash. And before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is a lovely, beautiful tussar silk saree, semi-tussar silk saree, and both the sides we have a nice small silver zari, and throughout the body we have a beautiful butta running along the body. This is all completely thread weaved. Beautiful design, a ball pattern design. And this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. And the blouse is a very different blouse in a self-woven pattern. You can have a closer look of the blouse. It's very different. A small self-weave pattern. This is the blouse. And the price of this sari is 910. In the same pattern, this is a very beautiful sapphire green or a bluish green, that kind of a shade, peacock bluish green shade. Very beautiful one in the semi-tussar silk material. A lovely silver butta running throughout the body. Very pretty one. The next in the same pattern is going to be pink, a lovely Rani pink. Any day Rani pink looks really class and rich color. Beautiful color combo. Rani pink. The next is going to be off-white. Lovely off-white. Very pretty one. Lovely off-white. The next is going to be a very beautiful red. Lovely red. All these colors looks really stunning. Very rich colors. This is more of dark purple, wine shade, that kind of a shade. Dark purple shade. These butta type designs looks really class. Next is Ramar blue or copper sulphate blue. Beautiful pattern. Lovely design. Next is going to be magenta. Magenta, beautiful magenta. And the last color in the lot is dark bottle green. Beautiful color. Very beautiful. When you wear it, it will be really nice. And the price of this saree is 910. This is again a beautiful semi-tussar silk saree in mustard color. This is a printed pattern. Both the sides we have a small zari border with a cute small gopuram design. You can have a closer look of the design. So it's a very small border with beautiful design, and throughout the body we have prints running along the body of the saree. Looks really pretty class. And the pallu of the saree is this, a tissue pallu. And the blouse of the saree is again a tissue lined, zari lined blouse for the saree. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 910. In the same printed pattern, the semi-tussar silk material, this is a grey with a small maroon border. Like no, you can have a closer look. Then I'll open and show you the saree also. Small border, grey with maroon. So this is how the saree looks. Beautiful printed tussar, and the pallu will be like this, and the blouse is going to be lined with grey and maroon. Very pretty sari, small border. Lots of people were asking for small borders. These are very pretty ones. The next is again a bottle green with the same maroon, small border. It's all the same pattern, so I'm just opening and showing you the body. Dark green, bottle green with maroon combination. Beautiful small border pattern. The next is going to be a lovely, very pretty off-white with zari border. This is. So this is the body. Beautiful design. Very pretty. And the price of this sari is all 910. The next is going to be a mehendi green with maroon color border. Cute borders, these saris. So this is how the body is. Very, very pretty one. And this is the pallu. These saris will look really pretty and very neat and very easy to maintain. You don't need to actually starch nothing. But first time alone, I would definitely suggest for these kind of silk materials to do a dry wash, because you definitely in these kind of silk materials you can't color guarantee. So I would definitely tell you to do a pretty one. This is a pink, lovely color combo with small zari border. Lovely pink. The next is a lovely Ramar blue, Ananda blue with a maroon border. Some has zari borders, some has thread borders. It's like that. These printeds look really pretty. And this is the pallu. Lovely sari. The flow and the way the drape and all will be really fine for these saris. Very, very soft material. You can single pleat these saris also. This is a navy blue with maroon. Class designs. Very, very pretty one. Navy blue with maroon. And this is the pallu. Beautiful design. The next is a tomato pink with zari border. Body of the sari is this, printed semi-tassels. And this is the pallu of the sari. The next is going to be a lovely green, beautiful green, sapphire green with maroon border. This is the body. And this is the pallu. And the next is a maroon with golden zari border. Nice colors this time, very, very pretty and lovely colors, beautiful designs, all semi-tassel silks. And the price of this sari is 910. This is a very beautiful printed semi-tassel silk material, big and small border. Both the sides we have sari body border. Throughout the body we have a beautiful printed design running along the body of the sari. And this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu, short pallu. And the blouse of the sari is this in lines. And the price of this sari is 910. In the printed tassel silk material, it's a beautiful design. Both the sides we have zari borders. And throughout the body we have a beautiful design, digital print design running along the body of the sari. A pretty design. And this is the pallu of the sari. And the blouse of the sari is this. And the price of this sari is 990. This is a very beautiful zari pattern design in the semi-tassel material with a very beautiful print. Both the sides we have zari borders, golden zari borders, and throughout the body we have a beautiful a geometric pattern design running along the body of the sari, and navy blue and pink color combination. And the pallu of the sari is this, and this is the blouse, and the price of this sari is 990. This is again a beautiful printed semi-tussar silk material, both the sides zari border, lovely zari border in contrast, and a very small beautiful print in brown and mustard combination, lovely design running along the body. And this is the pallu of the sari, a simple pallu, the very pretty plain blouse, and the price of this sari is 990. This is a very pretty semi-tussar silk sari, both the sides golden zari, and throughout the body we have a small butta running along the body. You can have a closer look of the sari. It's slightly a thicker material, it's not transparent. This you'll have a shine in the sari also. Very beautiful sari, and you have buttas running along the body. And this is the pallu of the sari, a rich tissue pallu, and the blouse is again a very beautiful tissue blouse, and the price of this sari is 800. In the same butta style, it's a mehendi green color. Both the sides we have a small tissue border. These materials are more silkish. We try to explain you about the material in detail. Any doubts, please do call us and clarify, and then buy these saris. This is a semi-tussar in beautiful mehendi green. We have lovely other color combinations. I'll show you the other colors. The next is going to be a lovely grey, beautiful shade, a very lovely grey, very pretty grey, lovely shade. And all the saris will have a pallu like this, contrast pallu, and the blouse will be in tissue. So all the saris, it's going to be the same. So I'll just show you the body of the saris for you to see the colors. This is a lovely sea green, dark sea green, or a dark peacock green, that shade, beautiful color. It's really class, more like a pattu sari. And for these kind of saris, please do dry wash for the first time. That will be better for the maintenance of these saris. Then next is going to be a lovely bottle green. Very beautiful. This sari looks really class apart. Very nice. Beautiful one. Lovely bottle green. Then next is going to be off-white. Lovely it is. For these off-whites, if you pair it up with some contrast blouses, it will look really beautiful. Very pretty off-white. The next is going to be lovely blue, Rama blue, dark Rama blue, more of a copper sulphate blue. These are all typical pattu sari colors. For any functions, these saris will look really grand, since you have buttas throughout the sari. And the next is going to be navy blue. It's all the same pattern. Both the sides you have zari, small zari borders, and throughout the body small buttas. Very class, neat, nice saris. And the price of the sari is 800. This is a very beautiful organza silk material. Organza silk material will be slightly transparent. This is double layered one. If you single layer, it will be transparent, but when you pleat it, it will not be transparent. And this saris will be slightly stiff. It's not too flowy. It's slightly stiffer material. And throughout the sari, we have a beautiful work, thread weave, which has been running along the body of the sari. A very beautiful one. And this is the pallu. And thread weaves are completely intact, that it will not get tied anywhere, or matikala matikade, it will not be like that. And the blouse of this is in contrast with green buttas, and the price of this sari is 990. In the same material, this is a very beautiful grey color hand weave sari. Beautiful thread work running along the body. Very pretty design, lovely pattern. And this is the pallu of the sari. A beautiful pallu. with a contrast blouse in grey and red butta. The next color in the same pattern is going to be a very lovely different shade, brown. Beautiful English shade, very pretty one. This is brown, and this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is in contrast brown with red. The next color combo is a lovely green, peacock green, water warp designs, water warp thread weaves in the body, beautiful one. And this is the pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this, very pretty one. All the colors and the designs are so beautiful in this. Just that the material will be slightly stiff. Whoever loves cotton will love these kind of material. Beautiful Rani pink. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. The next is going to be very beautiful red. Lovely design, beautiful design, very pretty red. And this is the pallu. And the blouse of the saree is in red with green. The next is going to be black, lovely black. Beautiful thread work in black. And this is the pallu, beautiful pallu. And this is the blouse in black and red dots. Everything is thread weaved in this, no prints, nothing. And what a lovely combination, happy yellow, very beautiful. The weaving and the color combo in this yellow looks really awesome, very pretty. And this is the pallu, and the blouse is in contrast yellow with red. The next is going to be green, beautiful green. Very beautiful green, parrot green. And this is the pallu, and the blouse is in green with red butta. And all these sarees are priced at $990. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.